We are also testy about even the slightest scratch on our cars. But what of the inside? The dashboard, the seats, the vinyl, and the doors. Hi guys, my name is Vikas, and today I'm going to show you how easy it can be to keep your car looking brand new inside out. First, I'm going to do an old-fashioned wipe down with this dry cloth.
This will get rid of traces of dust or any other dirt from the surface. Once that is done, I'm going to squeeze out some Motomax Dashboard Polish onto the sponge applicator. It comes with the polish, and spread it onto the surface. Just gently spread the polish along the surface like so.
You can use any polish or wax, but I prefer the Motomax Dashboard Polish because it works on most of the surfaces, including vinyl, rubber, plastic, and it leaves the surface with an attractive gloss in its wake. The Motomax polish also prevents damage from UV rays and restores dull and cracked appearances. So basically, it's a jack of all trades.
While I use the polish on any surface, including the tire sides, I avoid applying it to vehicle controls as it leaves the surface slippery.
Also, remember to apply the polish more than once for portions that are dull and faded to get the best results. There you have it folks, with just a few steps and a few bucks, you too can have an enviable shiny car interiors.